We're in the Royal Karoo kitchen. Nick, what are we cooking today?
Today we're cooking a Springbok hand roast. We're going to score the venison and we're going to put our cloves of garlic in. Just press the cloves into the holes. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, pour orange juice over and put it in the oven. Put in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius for 3 hours.
Remember when carving that you should carve across the grain. This is going to make a massive difference to the tenderness of your meat.